DODO Crypto Swap Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to DODO are in the description below. In this video, we'll review DODO, a decentralized exchange DEX that offers low slippage, high liquidity, and unique liquidity provider features through its proactive maker, PMM algorithm. Unlike traditional AMMs like Uniswap, which rely on constant product formulas, DODO's PMM dynamically adjusts liquidity based on market conditions, leading to better price execution and lower slippage, especially for large trades. DODO supports multi-chain swaps, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more, allowing users to trade assets seamlessly across different networks. Another standout feature is Smart Trade, which aggregates liquidity from various DEXs to ensure users get the best price available. Instead of being restricted to DODO's liquidity pools, Smart Trade scans multiple sources to optimize trading efficiency. For liquidity providers, DODO eliminates the need for providing liquidity in pairs. Unlike Uniswap or SushiSwap, which require a 50-50 asset split, DODO allows single-sided liquidity provision, reducing risks and improving capital efficiency. Another key advantage is impermanent loss protection, where the platform helps mitigate the risks of price divergence that affect liquidity providers on traditional AMMs. DODO also offers customizable liquidity pools through its crowd pooling feature, allowing projects to launch tokens with optimized liquidity and fair price discovery. This makes DODO not just a swap platform, but also a powerful tool for new token launches and market making. Additionally, DODO vending machines provide an automated way for users to create and manage their own liquidity markets with minimal setup. Security is a priority, with multiple audits and strong smart contract security measures. With low fees, deep liquidity, and advanced trading mechanisms, DODO is one of the most efficient and flexible swap platforms in the DeFi ecosystem. Whether you're a trader looking for the best swap rates or a liquidity provider seeking high returns with less risk, DODO offers a compelling alternative to traditional AMMs. Check the links in the description to explore DODO further.